Hey guys, Skater25 here, and I'm doing a bike check on my Eastern Cobra. Front rim is Odyssey, I think just regular Odyssey rims. Hub is Odyssey, came with the rim. Eastern stock forks, 2.3 Eastern tire. Illegal brake lever. This part of the brake cable is Eastern. That part is illegal. They're really nice brakes. Eastern Cobra frame. It's really light, but it hasn't broken on me yet, as you can see. But Eastern handlebars. Shit, but it's okay. Swing grips, they're just really good grips. Like, they're awesome. They don't move or anything. They lock on, and they're nice. Piece of shit seat. It's not stock, but it's still shit. Eastern PC pedals. Odyssey cranks. Eastern not stock 25-2 sprocket. My fucked up chain, as you can see. It's a Kink 2010 edition. Back is 2.25 not Eastern, Primo. Off the walls, I think. Hub is not an original Eastern. I got it like 4 months ago off dance comp, but it's Eastern. And back rim, I don't remember what it is. If you can tell by that, it's just fucked up and stuff. But I don't really care. It's a good bike. And that's my Eastern Cobra bike check. Hope you like it. Subscribe.